Patek Philippe 7010G-013. Main features are case and dimensions. A 32mm case in 18K white gold with a slim profile of 6.9 m. It features the iconic porthole construction with alternating satin brushed and polished finishes. Gem set bezel. The octagonal bezel is set with 46 brilliant cut diamonds totaling approximately 0.8 carats. Azure blue dial, a lacquered dial featuring the signature Nautilus wave pattern. It includes white gold applied ogival-shaped hour markers and Arabic numerals, all filled with a white luminescent coating for visibility. Composite strap, paired with an ultra-resistant azure blue composite material strap featuring a fabric pattern. It is secured by a white gold Nautilus fold-over clasp. Functions: displays hours, minutes, central sweep seconds, and a date aperture at 3 o'clock. Movement: powered by the caliber E23-250 SC quartz movement, which is selected for its high precision and slim 2.5 m profile. Battery life: approximately 3 years with a new silver oxide battery. Water resistance: rated to 30 meters, 3 bar. Crystal, equipped with a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Strap: composite material, fabric pattern, azure blue. White gold fold-over clasp. Dial lacquered azure blue, wave pattern, white gold applied numerals and hour markers with white luminescent coating. White gold alpha style, hands with white luminescent coating. Movement: E23-250 SC quartz. Date and an aperture: sweep seconds. Diameter: 23.9 mm. Thickness: 2.5 mm. Number of parts: 80. Number of jewels: 8. Quartz frequency: 32,768 AG. Power source: silver oxide battery, 1.55 volt.